Now, I may not have been your traditional college student, but I did manage to knock out my core science courses that were needed for pre-medical applications, while also managing to get a few sponsorships. I don't have a big following. Like, I definitely have put a lot of time into my YouTube channel, but in terms of short form media, which is where most of my sponsorships came from, not that big. My first one was around 2000. But yeah, I had a year-long deal with Levi's, year-long deal with American Eagle. I've worked with Michael Kors, Givenchy, Target. Target was paying me mad money, but we don't really rock with Target for real now. But yeah, in this video, I'm gonna give y'all like the special sauce that I wish I knew coming into it, because I probably could have made way more money if I would have known this beforehand. And yeah, that's basically, you know what I'm saying, the premise of the video. So let's just get into it. Y'all see what's in front of me. This is a crazy ass view, but I didn't come from your traditional background in terms of like creating content or like being surrounded by people that did that. I grew up in the Northeast, so like I was born in Connecticut, but like my high school years, I was in Maine. So not very many people doing content out there. The only real person that people know from Maine at this point now is Cooper Flag, which, I mean, I know they didn't make it, but like, bro, he's like that. But truly, you really don't need that much to start, is essentially what I'm trying to get at. Let's say you're starting from ground zero, like you're about to go to college, you don't even have an Instagram. In this day and age, with short form content, it's genuinely kind of easy to create some sort of momentum to get to like 1,000 or 2,000. That would be my first step. Have an Instagram and have a decent following. It doesn't need to be nothing crazy. Like, don't stress too much on follower count. You can still follow these tips I'm about to give you. So you might be asking yourself, Max, what do I need to start? Like, you got a microphone with a wooden spoon attached to the end of it that your mom used to beat you with, but like, what else do I need? Look, all you need is a goddamn phone. So all you need. People be asking me all about this gear this, gear that. Bro, I bought a camera for $500. A year later, I got a new phone, and that shit was already better than the camera I had just bought. Save your money. If you have a phone in your pocket, use it. Other than that, that's all you need. I guess internet connection and to go to a college, because, okay, here's the sauce, okay? For whatever reason, a lot of companies are focused on college-age students. I'm guessing because they spend money when they don't have the money to be spending, but that's besides the point. So I'm essentially give y'all a list of businesses, companies that manage and work with college students and get them brand deals with whatever company you can think of. Pentel. My Levi's one was through YMC, Youth Marketing Campaign, I believe. I'm gonna put that on screen. Another one is called Her Campus Media. That's a big one. I've gotten small paid stuff from there, not like the big deals that like where I'm actually like proud of them, but like little side shits I've gotten from Her Campus Media just through what I'm about to get to next is email. Have your business email set up, because it will definitely help you. Oh, my knee is wet. Ugh. Especially once you get your first deal. How I got most of my other ones was just through email. Like, that shit just started trickling in. I forgot. Another one where I got some deals from was called Buttermilk Agency. How I got my Givenchy one, my Michael Kors one. Well, I forgot to mention Gap. I worked with Gap too. That was cool. Honestly, that's really the gist of it. Build your profile. You know what I'm saying? Start getting used to making content. Like, don't just be like, I want to get sponsored too, and you've never made any sort of long form or short form content. Like, because a lot of people have like pictures on their Instagram, but it's a completely different thing to be able to make videos for a company. So if you're not in college now, just put your reps up beforehand, so once you get to that point, you're damn near guaranteed them. Build your profile, apply to like Buttermilk Agency, YMC, Her Campus Media, and all them. And lastly is have your email ready. Oh, I forgot Sally Mae too. Like, I worked with Sally, like, you know, the loan company, they paid big bucks. I ain't gonna lie, they really, boy, that was nice. And mind you, I don't have a big following. Like, it's not crazy to be making money with a smaller following. Like, I say a smaller following, but realistically, like 4,700 people. If that was in a room with just me, like, I'm spooked. Shout out to y'all though. Love y'all so much. So it is possible. If I can do it, bro, you can 100% do it. I'm no different, no better than any of you watching this video right now. So I'm gonna talk about some of the benefits of being sponsored as a college student. So one, great side money, great side hustle. Realistically, making content doesn't take that much time, especially short form. Like, yes, if you're really sweating, trying hard, like a wrong, I'm gonna throw a video up here of his stuff. Yeah, that shit's kind of crazy. But you don't gotta do all that. It can be nice and simple, and it will get you very far. So do that. Secondly, is free stuff, okay? You, as a college student or as a content creator, especially starting out, might not get paid in terms of like financial compensation. But genuinely, like, I didn't have a very big wardrobe when I first got to college, and now half of my wardrobe is stuff I have earned from working with other brands and have either gotten for free or was paid and given, you know what I mean? So free stuff is really nice. I've gotten a free electric skateboard, replica shoes. I know, guys, I know reps are so bad, but they come from the same goddamn factory. You think made in China means it's bad quality? I'm sorry to break it to you, buddy. Your favorite brands are made in China. I'm sorry. Not to say I wear reps all the time, because a lot of my shoes are actually real. How I used to make money in high school was reselling shoes. That's, you know what I'm saying, whatever. Besides the point. And also, which every brand I've worked with, they told me I can't do, you can resell it or donate it. Like, give it to friends. Great gifts. They make amazing gifts too. So you can give back to your peers as well. Third, which I guess it kind of links into your peers thing, is people are gonna look at you different, like, no doubt. It's kind of weird, actually. Like, when I first got my Levi's deal, people were calling me the Levi man, which is just kind of funny, but people will look at you different, which I don't really see it as a good thing or a bad thing. It's just a thing. The last benefit, honestly, is if you're someone that's interested in creating content. Now, if you're going to school, I don't think you should go to college for the sole purpose of being a content creator. Don't think that's so smart. If for whatever reason with your career path you also want to be creating videos and content simultaneously, I think it's great practice for what the real world will offer you in terms of deals and how they work with you, because bro, they low-key got us. Like, they got over, it was like a whole cohort. They got up over us, you know what I mean? Like, we were doing a lot of work for the money we were paid. And when I say that, I'm saying that in comparison to what essentially what I'm saying is they try and go for college students. So now that I know that, I'm better prepared for what future brand deals I'll be able to take in. And I'll be better at saying no, essentially. Next, I'm gonna get into things to be aware of, things to be cautious of. And it links back to what I just said, is just getting over. Like, you should be okay with saying no to a brand deal, 100%. I've said no to, I'm not gonna say countless because I could probably count, but I've said no to a few. And it was either lack of brand alignment or lack of pay. If this becomes like an actual side hustle for you, there's gonna be a lot thrown at you once you like dive into it. And it's important to stay cautious about separating branded content to like whatever your core content is, because it's very easy, and I found myself in this trap of like damn near every post you're making is a paid partnership, and at that point it just feels unauthentic. So just be cautious of that. Last thing to be cautious of is like jealousy and stereotypes and just stigma. Like, I feel like when I started getting money from the internet, a lot of people started asking me for stuff, which is not like I was making big boy money. Like, I couldn't live off of just what I was making online. Maybe close, but nah. But people are gonna start asking you for stuff just because they assume like, if you get clothes for free, you can get anything for free. So like, hit me up and get me hooked up with da-da-da. Like, no, I'm sorry to break it to you. I'm not Drake with Nocta. I'm not a freaking RIP Nip. I'm not a Nip with Puma. You know what I mean? Like, I can't just get you stuff like that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the video though. Subscribe, comment if you have any other questions for me, and follow me on IG, because I wasn't supposed to do it before, but I'm gonna do like a whole like Levi's collection, because I have a lot of really good Levi's pieces. Some are custom, some are not. I've gifted some away. If you're one of the small few that made it to the end, this message is for you. Please get outside, take care of yourself, treat yourself well. I know this video wasn't about health at all, but like, the season's coming around. I know you hear the nature in the background. Just get that sun on your skin, bro. Even I don't care what race, color, creed you are. Like, go outside. Vitamin D is good for you. Get some fresh air. And one more thing to be cautious of, since you stayed to the end. Don't get caught up in the hype, bro. Don't compare yourself to other people. Like, social media it's so easy to get caught in this trap of thinking you should be in one place when you are on your time. God has a plan for you, and it's gonna be different than everybody else, because everybody's unique. All of us have God within us, but we all unique. So we all have different paths we gotta walk. Easier said than done, but I hope you enjoy. Ta-da! Wait. Ta-da! Hey, that nigga. All right, I'm done. People are looking at me, so bye.